So welcome back everyone, Triple M here, and this video is something I've been trying to do for the channel for a while now. Tophatter is one of those websites that offered ridiculously low price, one of those things that's kind of too hard to believe. Prices are low, they have a lot of cool products from tech to hobby, fashion and beauty, electronics and so on and so forth, and I wanted to do a video just to buy a bunch of products, unbox them, and just to see what quality they are when they come in. So reach out to Tophatter and they did agree to sponsor this video. I will be leaving a link in the description. If you guys use that link, you will get an automatic $5 to spend on the website. So Tophatter claims to be one of the most exciting shopping sites around. So they do have deals on auctions, as you see right here, guys. All auctions last 90 seconds, and if you're the high bidder when the 90 seconds end, you do win that product. So you're free to sign up, pay only when you win the auction, and throughout the day they do have deal drops on brand name products where the products start at $1. So users can earn badges by achieving a certain amount of wins, shopping on holidays, and bidding on certain number of days in a row. So this is going to be two videos for me. One just showing the products I picked out. I'll do a video later on when the products come in, just to unbox them, see what they're like, and like I said, use the link in the description, guys. You will get an automatic $5 to spend. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So if you guys are new to the channel, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Let's go ahead and check it out. So a couple different categories. You can browse all like I'm doing now. Free shipping, fashion and beauty, electronics, premium, home and hobby, as well as jewelry. So I'm just gonna scroll through. I'll probably pick up $100 worth of stuff, and hopefully they come in soon. With these websites, it's probably gonna take a while, but hopefully they come in soon, and once they all come in, I'll go ahead and do a massive unboxing, just see if it's worth checking out. So let's see what we have here. What would we be interested in? So what's this? This is a language translator, so probably want to check that out. Look like it's not ready yet. Let's see what else we have. This is actually a laptop, but that's gonna exceed my budget. All right, so we do have some speakers here, $16. Let's go ahead and bid on that. All right, look like I'm the winning bidder right now. We'll see how long that takes if someone outbids me. Going once, going twice. I wonder if it goes 3 times. Who knows? It look like I'm the winning bidder right now, so we'll see. All right, look like I won. I get to pick a color. Let's go ahead and pick the red one. All right, so there's the first order. Nice work, winners. Here's your first badge. 2 more wins to your next badge. All right, let's go, and we're gonna continue shopping. All right, so just won a hot 4K outdoor sports camera, 1080p Wi-Fi. It says 4K, it also says 1080p, but I guess we'll see when it gets here. We're gonna pick the silver on this one. I want to check out one of these tablets, but look like a lot of people are actually bidding on those. Outbid again. Let's scroll down. All right, so won the wireless mouse voice control remote. Let's go ahead and check that out as well. All right, so we have $42. Walkie-talkie compass digital watch. That is cool. Let's bid on it. And this guy right here look like it's a screen magnifier. Not sure how it works exactly, but worth a shot. $6. Let's bid on that as well. All right, so let's pick the white one on that one. Just 2 more, guys. This one is $6. That one was another $14. We're up to $62, guys. Let's see what else we got. CBD oil. Not interested. Blacklight snooze alarm clock, thermometer, weather forecast, station indoor. Let's bid again. All right, so just want a tablet as well. So here's a list of my orders, guys. I believe it came up to $127. 4-piece key whistle finder, Android tablet. This was $28, so worth a shot. We have a alarm clock, a gaming system like a handheld game, the walkie-talkie, 7-in-1 walkie-talkie wristwatch, a screen magnifying glass, a remote, voice control remote, 4K camera, as well as a Bluetooth speaker. So hopefully these will be in soon, guys. I'll do an unboxing. We'll test them out, see if they're total crap, if they're worth purchasing. But I have to admit that it did become kind of addictive, guys. So just watching the numbers, you kind of have that excitement of the countdown. What it boiled down to in the end is, are these products any good? So as soon as I get the products in, I will be doing an unboxing, maybe even a giveaway. So that's it for this video. Don't forget, if you use the link in the description, you will get a $5 credit. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.